Patrick's Day. It fell on a Sunday this year. Uh, Looks like the market's responded. Everything is green out there. A pretty nice day in the market. You can see that is for the month. Let's get to the daily. Here we go. Yeah, everything pretty much. Sui Arb. I don't know for sure how you pronounce this one. What is it? Psy? C? I'm not even sure. Never even looked into this one here. But where's Beam? Right here. All right, plus 5.2%. Market cap 1.89 billion. Rank number 60. 24-hour volume 42 point roughly $8 million. All right, so right now it looks like everything is tearing it up today pretty decently. Which Bitcoin, it should continue to bounce. I would think the next couple days. It ended up. Let me come over here and open up a different one on Bitcoin here. Let me show you what's going on here with it. All right, we're gonna go on a daily. Open this chart up a little bit. All right, having a little bit of a. Probably gonna bounce up to this box. All right, and what happens after that is obviously to be determined. All right, that's your 618702. This is on a daily. Watch what happens up here. Okay, either we get rejected and roll down with a ABC, or this is all just a big 1, 2, and wave 2 up, wave 3 down, 4, 5. Have a bigger correction. We'll just have to wait and see. And watch this area right here with Bitcoin. That's going to tell a lot. So I would imagine the daily RSI on it is just about reset too. So it looks like the next at least couple days for Bitcoin, I would think, should be positive. So we should see a response from the rest of the market here. Now Beam ended up falling down below this daily support line right here, which we covered on the last video here. All right, so let's take a look and see if this thing is ready to bounce or not. First thing I do want to mention, get it out of the way real quick. The membership, we have 192 members now. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the best. I mean that. The support for the channel has been unbelievable. So if you're interested, a level 3 membership gets you 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos to teach you how to chart, how to set up a trading view, how to trade on MEXC, everything, how to use Fibonacci, how to look for price targets, everything. Okay, and also gives you a link to our trading Discord where there's people in there 24 hours a day. We were in there this morning. We caught the FET long. One move there, I closed mine out right around 180% profits, and mostly everybody that jumped in on that was over 100% profit. So nice way to start the day this morning. Double your money, can never beat that. Almost so it worked out very well. So if you're interested, come join us. Excuse me, we would love to have you. A lot of you guys already have signed up, and thank you very, very much. I really appreciate it. So I'll see you later on in Discord over there. Now let's take a look and see here. The daily RSI for Beam, rate of just about reset. Okay, so this thing's getting in the oversold territory. The big story is going to be told when we get right back up to this trend line. All right, the 12-hour RSI turning up. 13.3 and 13.8. Technically still bearish at the moment, but I wouldn't expect that to last longer. I really think this thing's going to give a shot at running higher. The 8-hour heading up, 28 and a 16. It's bullish, and your 4. The 4 is about halfway up, still bullish. Showing a little bit of weakness there, right? This could just simply be the start of a 1, 2, a wave 3 up. These don't go in straight lines. What the guy said, I heard a long time ago when I first started, not a long time ago, like I'm 100 years old, but when I first started looking at charts, he always said anything goes straight up comes straight back down. Just like this here, straight. This came straight down, went straight back up, but anything that goes straight up comes straight back down. So always remember that, especially on a daily. You got to build support levels. you know, like stairs. You're building your foundation up as you're building price action. Okay, never goes, you know, like I said, if it goes straight up through, expect a big retracement. Okay, if you move some nice like this, a little bit of a pullback, push up, a little bit of a pullback, push up, that is perfectly normal. You're going to see that. Okay, now when we get back up here to this level up here, this is the area we're going to want to keep an eye on. We obviously have a resistance line down through here. Let's put one on here, trend line. Looks like, you know, that could possibly be it right there. This could be possibly fake outs. Let's go on a higher time frame. You know, the reason I say that, a lot of time these will normally, you know, as you know, you could, I guess you could move. Let's put it out there to be 100% sure. Okay, let's just put it out here. That will tell all right there. You know, a break of this trend line. We break up through here, and this thing's going higher. How high could it go? Well, there's the. I apologize. There's the Discord now. I have it open as I just published. It looks like Gala could be breaking out. I just put that over in Discord. Now, what you want to pay attention to is if we get up to these areas here, the 618 and 702. Let me get this line off here. This is going to be the area that will tell all, you know, and I truly think we'll get up here, especially with the daily resetting, this price area. All right, if we can break through this area, this thing is heading higher. Okay, with Bitcoin probably going to run the next couple days, I would not be shocked at all to see Beam break out. All right, especially with the daily RSI about reset. This thing's due for a run up here. Now, if we get rejected at this area, then you're probably looking at a big A, B, C. All right, we get through this area, and we're probably heading up to 0.051, the 1618, which is you know, that's how you get your targets a lot of times for these, especially on the higher time frames. You know, you go on a daily, and you look at this. You know, when we long over in Discord or whatever, this is how we get our targets. And if we break up through, especially the 786, you know, we're looking for 1618 as a target area. That would be your target. That's how you get targets with the fib. This fib is very, very good. It's unbelievable how accurate it can be, but it is deadly accurate. It's unbelievable sometimes. I mean, you go through back through charts, just go back through charts and put a fib on it and take a look, you know, and see how it's reacted to the Fibonacci over time. And this is on the daily chart. Let's take a look here. Them big wicks I don't really care for, but you know, that could that can throw a chart way off, especially you know, over, this is up through 1618. All right, so when it broke through this level, the target you would have been looking for is 0.0369. all right, it came up, tapped it, got a big rejection candle here, big green candle, big pull down, and we ended up getting another push up. But you would have wanted to take profits up here at the 1618. all right, avoided this big pull down, which probably would have took out your stop loss, and you would have ended up with instead of profits way down here, you would have got them way up here. All right, waited this out till you got to pull back and a confirmed breakout, then jump back in and trade. You know, if you were trading one crypto. All right, so we're going to keep an eye on Beam here. Obviously, it looks about ready to make a run here. We got that daily reset, so let's see what happens. All right, thank you so much. Come join us, guys, please. $14.99 level 3 membership. Come join us in Discord. We would love to have you. Let's go Beam. Have a great day, everybody.